Are you considering listing your home for sale this spring? As a seller, you'll be making many important decisions, including how much home access to give potential buyers. Hi, this is 40-year real estate expert Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing potential home buyers to walk through and see your property. As a general rule, you should give potential home buyers enough access to your house to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase. This is usually somewhere between 30 to 45 minutes. Of course, as a seller, you want as much balance in your life between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. The best practice is to schedule any open houses or private showings with your real estate agent who can control the showings and showing times based on your wishes. One of the ways of protecting access is by way of a coded lockbox that your agent will typically place at the front door, which will allow other licensed real estate agents to access your property so that they can show your home to their buyers. These showings are allowed by appointment only or limited access on certain days and times, such as open houses. Ultimately, the level of access that you want to provide buyers is a personal decision. It will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences, but if you want to maximize the sale price of your house, you can't and shouldn't limit potential buyers' access. If your home is not accessible, it could cost you by having your home sitting on the market longer than need be, which will ultimately end up in lower offers on your home. It's always best to discuss your concerns with your real estate agent so that they can map out a strategy that works for you. If you have any questions, please contact me today so that I can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you through every step of the way. You deserve to get the most amount of money from your home investment. Again, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I've got you covered. I hope you make it a great home selling day.